All right, guys. Well, you may have noticed that I've been a little MIA lately, and it's because I took my family on a Disney cruise. It was part of my kids' Christmas present. And I don't know if you remember back in some of my previous videos, I said, I made a lot of things this past Christmas with my 3D printer, but I just couldn't make the video about it because I didn't want to spoil it. My kids, a lot of my family, they all follow this channel, so I wasn't going to give them the opportunity to kind of get a sneak peek into what they were getting for Christmas. One of the coolest things that I've ever printed, and that I gave them for the cruise. Actually, it was for them to open to know that they were going on a cruise. So they opened the box and they found this. The Disney Destiny compass. And the really neat thing that I liked about this was that route right here was the actual route that we took on our ship. And the compass is, it's supposed to move. It didn't, I printed out two of them for both of them, but the whole dial inside's supposed to move. I don't know if I had a setting wrong or something, but this print file is on MakerWorld. I'll link it down below. This is not my file, but the guy who created this, man, he or woman, whoever created this thing did an amazing job. So, you just open it up and it's, what do you want most in life? Or what do you desire most? I don't know. I can't do a Jack Sparrow, but this thing was so cool. I mean, it looks just like the compass. I think it needs to be a little bit bigger. Maybe I'll make it again and scale it up. But what I did do, so there's some gold in here. Cover my face so it'll focus. So there's some gold. It makes it shiny. What I used with that was this filament. It's Sunlu's dual color silk PLA plus black and gold. I'll link it over here on my computer. I'll link it over in the description so you guys can check it out for yourself. This has been one of the funnest filaments that I've printed with. It's hard to see in here, but the color shifts as you turn it. It goes from gold to black. I think it's actually more of a blue, but most of the things that I print and most of the filament that I use has come from Sunlu. They seem to have the best deals, and I get pretty consistent prints with it. The filament that I use the most is the black matte. I just like matte things better in life. I like matte paint. I like matte for my photography. I don't like glossy. I don't like the reflections. I like to see what I'm looking at. I think it looks classier. I think it looks cleaner. It's what I use. I'll link it. I'll link everything down below. Everything is an affiliate link. So if you want to click on that, it does help out the channel. I can print out some more things. But I just wanted to share this thing with you guys because I've been chomping at the bit to show it to you. And it was awesome. I'm a little nostalgic for the some of the things that we experienced on the cruise. I've shared some of the photos with you. It's a Marvel. It's a heroes and villains is the theme. So there's a lot of Marvel, and even some of the old school Disney kind of got to me. Like they had some Hercules stuff on there, and the show, the horn, the music. It was awesome. But this is not about the cruise. This is about 3D printing. We're back to it. I'm going to print out, I'm going to print out some more of these videos for you guys to watch. However the heck you print out a video, I'm going to make some more for you. If you liked the video, comment, like, sub, all that jazz down below. One thing I did want to kind of announce or whatever, I am now fully monetized in the YouTube Partner Program. So I want to thank everybody who has stuck around, who's watched, joined recently, or joined my channel in the beginning. I really do appreciate all you guys sticking around, and I got some great content coming. I have some other really awesome things that I want to show you that I'm going to pull off the printer here today. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Happy printing.